When you hold your thumb over the flow of the end of the hose and increase the water pressure, you make a manual pressure washer. It isn't a very effective cleaning device. There isn't enough power. When you add a gas or electric powered motor and a pump to your hose, you get enough pressure to remove peeling paint, clean the exterior of your home, and spruce up your sidewalk. This is the Portland Electric Pressure Washer. It puts out 1,750 psi at 1.3 GPM for a CU of 2,275. What does that mean? That means that I use the sprayer, the force of the spray is 1,750 pounds per square inch, and it's coming out at a rate of 1.3 gallons per minute. Pressure washers with a PSI of 4,000 or less and a GPM of 4 or less are rated for consumers. This electric pressure washer falls within that range. You should be able to handle tasks typical of a residential property. Let's open this up. Looks like we got some assembly required here. We got our pressure washer unit. We got our high pressure hose. The handle. Screws for the handle. Spray gun. Wand. Detergent holder. Also got a little clip here which is going to hold the hose to the unit. Instructions. And on the back of the instructions, a nozzle clearer. Let's put this together. All right, ready to hook it up to the water, plug it in, and we're ready to go. Took all of about 5 minutes to put together.
Bob also used the pressure washer to clean his car. The soap dispenser attaches to the wand and easily holds enough solution to wash the car.
I've worked with commercial pressure washers and I was a little worried about using a pressure washer for anything but industrial cleaning. I was also worried it wouldn't be powerful enough to be any more effective than my thumb over the hose. But the Portland Electric Pressure Washer performed well. It takes paint off concrete and cleans the concrete as well. It also cleans wood, wrought iron, screening, and makes my car look better than when I take it to the car wash. The Portland Pressure Washer cost me less than $100 and I was able to purchase it locally. It's well suited to residential jobs, costs almost nothing to operate, and its smaller size makes for easy storage. It's a good tool to have in your shed. Thanks for watching.